Good morning, everyone. It's Mark here from Doing Good Carpet Furnace Cleaning. Wow, this is a special morning for me. I just came into work and I got into the office. We had a little surprise waiting for us here from the postman. Well, I must say, I'm excited. And once again, Dang Good has won Top Choice Award once again for 2026. This is our 5th year in a row winning this award, and we're so proud. And it's one of the most beautiful awards we do receive. The award itself is just fantastic. So I just want to say thank you to all our staff, my wife Karen, who makes everything roll smoothly, and to all of our customers. Thank you from Dang Good, and we'll see if we can do this again for 2027. Thank you.